Um, this slide was from my Beijing workshop. I should update it to add 2020 here.
这个我们现在看到的这张幻灯片是之前在北京做工作坊的时候用过的。博士说他应该更新一下，更新到2020年。
But I wanted to show you over time how this works and some of the rules from Abu Mashar and some ideas from me.
但是博士想先向我们展示一下这个整套系统它是怎么进行的。另外，他也想介绍一些阿布马谢的理论和一些来自于他自己的想法。
Now, on the left, you can see that the last fire conjunction was in 1782.
在这张表上，我们可以看到，最后一次发生在火象星座的合相是1782年，发生在射手座。
And on the left is the sign of the mean conjunction. And in parentheses, I tell you where the true conjunction was, where their bodies actually were when they conjoined.
那么在左边呢是列出来的是每一次平均合相它所发生的位置，然后在右边的这个括号里面，博士给我们列出了他们当星体真正合相在一起的时候，他们所在的星座。
So the 1782 mean conjunction was at the end of Sagittarius, and then it jumped, instead of to Leo, it went to the beginning of Virgo.
所以1782年的这一次合相，它发生在射手座的末尾，然后再下一次的时候，它并没有再回到狮子座，而是到了处女座。
And both the mean and true conjunctions were in Virgo, so they were both in Earth.
而这一年的不管是平均合相还是真实合相，都发生在处女座，也就是说都在这个土象星座。
And you can see that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 10 Earth conjunctions, and they're all about 20 years apart.
我们可以看到这里面一共有10个在土象星座的合相，然后每一个之间都相隔20年。
But notice that for a couple of them, the true conjunction is not in the correct triplicity.
但是我们可以看到这其中有几个他们的真实合相发生的位置并不是在正确的这个三方星座里面。
So in 1822, the mean conjunction was near the beginning of Taurus, but when their bodies conjoined, they must have been both retrograde in Aries.
比如说在1822年的这一次平均合相发生在金牛座的开头的位置，但是因为这一年发生土星和木星的星体一定是在逆行，所以他们的星体的真实合相发生在了白羊座。
And you can see in 1980 there was an Earth conjunction in Virgo, but the true conjunction of their bodies was in the next triplicity already, in Libra. Like they were changing early.
在1980年的这一次合相当中，平均合相应该是发生在处女座，但是在后面的括号里面，你们可以看到真实的星体合相已经到了下一个三方星座，就是到了天秤座里面，就好像说这个行星它本身走的就有点快了，已经走到下一个三方星座了。
Likewise, the triplicity shift into air happened in 2000, but the true conjunction was back in Taurus.
同样，当平均合相转移到下一个三方星座，转移到双子座的时候，就是在2000年的这一次，实际的真实合相还是留在了金牛座里头。
So what does this mean? I mean, it could mean nothing, but it could mean the true conjunctions might be telling us something.
所以这个差别有什么含义呢？也许是没有什么意义的，但是也许这个真实的合相的位置是在告诉我们一些什么信息。
So one friend of mine suggested that if the true conjunction is in the next triplicity, it's like we are looking ahead to what kinds of things will happen after the shift.
所以博士的一个朋友说，如果这个真实的合相发生在下一个三方星座里面，就好像是我们在往前看，然后看一下未来会发生什么。
Or if the true conjunction is back in the old triplicity, maybe some qualities of the old politics is now coming back for a while.
但是如果这个真实的合相发生在上一个三方星座里面，也许有一些旧的这种政治的制度就会回来。
So it could be that the new triplicity doesn't really become fixed until both the mean and true conjunctions are in the correct triplicity. That's an idea. I don't know. It's just an idea.
所以有一个想法就是，也许直到这个平均的三方星座，平均合相和真实合相的三方星座都在同一个三方星座里头的时候，直到这个为止，否则他们都不是一个非常稳固的状态。这个三方星座所代表的性质都不是一个非常稳固的状态。
So that's happening this year. This year, the mean conjunction is at 3 Aquarius, and the true conjunction at 0 Aquarius.
那么这个两个相同的情况，在今年其实就已经发生了。在今年，这个平均合相发生在水瓶座的3度，而真实合相发生在水瓶座的0度。
Now, if you look at this series, the end of the fire series and the end of the earth series.
那么让我们来看一下，就是在火象三方星座最后序列的最后一个，还有在土象三方星座序列的最后一个。
As an American, I might say this transition was the end of the British Empire in America and the rise of the United States.
因为博士作为一个美国人来说，他可能认为从火象星座到土象星座的这个转移，意味着是英国在美国的它的统治的这个衰落，以及美利坚合众国它的一个崛起。
But actually, the rise of the United States did not really happen until the first earthy conjunction.
但是实际上，美国它的兴起，直到第一个这个土象的合相的时候，并没有完成。
And if I think about other politics in the world in this Virgo conjunction, Napoleon, the French general Napoleon in France, he was invading all over Europe, and that was a big change for Europe.
但是如果我们想一下世界上其他的这些政治的事件的时候，在1802年的 土象合相的时候，拿破仑正在欧洲进攻所有的国家，所以这个对欧洲整个的局势造成了很大的变化。
Now, if I think about this last Earth conjunction, again, from my American perspective, I'm thinking about the end of the Soviet Union and the end of the Cold War.
所以，如果再看土象的最后一个这个合相的时间的话，那博士作为一个美国人，他想到的就是苏联的解体以及冷战的结束。